Tecnicas Réunidas, in collaboration with the Swiss foundation ZAR, is developing a new technology, known as Phos4life, to recover technical-grade phosphoric acid from sewage sludge ash. Phos4life is being developed at Tecnicas Réunidas José Yado Technology Center in Madrid, Spain. The Phos4life technology consists of 4 main steps. In a first step, sewage sludge ash is leached, transferring phosphorus into the aqueous solution. This is followed by 2 solvent extraction steps to obtain pure phosphoric acid and a commercial iron byproduct. Heavy metals are recovered from the sewage sludge ash. In a final evaporation step, technical-grade phosphoric acid at 75% concentration is obtained.